Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss syllabus regarding Ajax subject, which is a skill development course in the community college program. There are 5 topics in this subject. Let us see what is the content of unit first. Okay. Name of unit first is Introduction to Ajax, in which includes the first point, what is Ajax? Ajax is an acronym for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Then we will see Ajax rich clients in the real world. Then we will see advantages and disadvantages of Ajax. Then what is the purpose of Ajax? After that, traditional web application. Then an Ajax web application, how to handle them. And last point in the subject, in this topic, is the alternative to Ajax. Then we will come to the unit second, Ajax framework. Ajax is the set of web development techniques used by client-side framework and libraries to make asynchronous HTTP calls to the server. We know that a framework is an abstraction in which software providing generic functionality can be selectively changed by additional user written by code. Let us discuss the first point in the Ajax framework is the purpose of framework. Means that which type of a framework you have to choose. Okay. Then second point is Dojo. What is Dojo? Dojo is a toolkit which is an open source modular JavaScript library designed to ease the rapid development of cross-platform. Now, I come to the point. Second, how to download Dojo. How to use Dojo in the Ajax. Then, what is prototype? Third point. Then, how to downloading prototype in the Ajax technology. Then, how to using prototypes for the Ajax. Okay. Then we will see other popular frameworks like direct web remoting, then Ajax Anywhere, Simple Ajax, then Sarisa, and other framework which are used in the to perform the Ajax technology. Now we come to the unit third, HTML in Ajax, in which the first point, the HTML document object model. In short, we can say that a DOM. Then second, accessing nodes. In accessing nodes, we will see how to access element nodes. Then how to accessing attribute node. Then get attributes. Then attributes method. Then accessing node by type, name and value. Accessing nodes by class name. Here is the remaining part of a unit third, which includes how to removing nodes from the DOM, in which we will see DOM differences. Means we will see specifically about the white space problem. And last point is the how to creating nodes within the document. Now we will see what will be the content of unit 4 Ajax applications. Here we learn in this topic that how to prepare login form, then how to create quick lookup form. Okay. Then after that, how to preload data. After preloading, how to run the Ajax slideshow and how to navigate the tables. this is unit 5, project. In this unit, you have to try to implement a JavaScript XML, means document object model. We can say that DOM, and CSS technology. Also, you have to create mini modules and run them with Ajax technology effects. Okay, and so this is all our syllabus about the Ajax subject. Thank you.